Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start a new playlist on design patterns. And for the first video, we are going to discuss about the observer design pattern. So before we are going to start the video, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe and give me a support. With that said, let's dive into our video. So as I said, we are going to talk about observer design pattern. So as for the first video, I'm going to discuss what is the observer design pattern using a real world example. So here we are going to talk about YouTube subscription. So you guys know that whenever we click the subscribe button for a channel, whenever that channel publishes a new video, we will get a notification. So that is basically an implementation of the observer design pattern. So we have a channel and then we have multiple users. So I'm going to name them user 1, user 2 and user 3. So these are so we have 3 users, and from these 3 users, first to subscribe this channel. Okay, subscribe, but the third user doesn't subscribe. So now once user 1 and user 2 subscribe, they are getting added to a pool. User 1, user 2. So now they are in a pool. So let's mark it in blue color, and out of that pool we have user 3 and we have our channel as well. So for this channel, user 1 and user 2 are observers. Okay, so when this channel uploads a new video, let's say it uploads a new video, then that means something new happened in this channel, and we are going to notify it to all the observers of this channel. So we notify user 1, then we notify user 2, but we are not going to notify user 3 because user 3 hasn't subscribed to this channel. So this is how the observer design pattern works, and I think you got an idea about how this observer design pattern works and what kind of problems are addressed with this observer design pattern. So we are going to conclude our first video at this point, and in the next video we are going to discuss about the class diagrams for this observer design pattern. So if you guys enjoy the video, then please consider to like and subscribe my channel. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks and bye.